Welcome to the walkthrough video on how to create a I will secure a location for you service listing. Service listings allow operators to hire you upfront to secure them new locations. This listing type is permanently visible on your profile page, and Vending Village continuously promotes these service listings to operators that are looking to hire location finders. Let me walk you through right now how to create one. So first, you want to go to vendingvillage.com and log into your account. Then you're going to click here in the top right corner, post your listing. Since by default, it's set on sell a secured location, you're going to click the change button. Update the listing type to sell a service. It's already going to be set on the category of location finding service. Then you want to input a listing title. Make it I will secure a location for you. And then the listing description. In this area, we're going to put, please let us know the following details. What area you're looking for a location in, what kind of machine types you service, what type of locations you're interested in, and also include the general daily foot traffic that you are going to target for the price you're going to set. So for example, the price you're going to want to set here is based on 60 to 80 foot traffic. Then click next. Next, when setting your price, if you're unsure what to charge, use the tier pricing chart and start at tier 3 and increase your price as you secure higher value locations. Next, you want to select an image for your listing. It's already preset. In this area, you could put in your area. Download it, click here to add image, and then click publish.